Hey there, welcome back to our channel, The CEO Magazine. Today we have something fascinating and valuable in our store for you. We are diving into the world of leadership and discussing the essential skills that can genuinely make a difference in your personal and professional life. Whether you are a seasoned leader or just starting out, these skills are crucial for your success. So grab a notepad and let's get started with mastering leadership skills for success. Understanding leadership. Before we jump into the skills, let's define what leadership really is. It's not just about giving orders, but about inspiring and guiding others towards a common goal. It's about fostering collaboration and growth. Remember, leadership can be practiced at any level, not just in managerial roles. Effective communication. The first skill we will explore is effective communication. Leaders must convey their ideas clearly and listen actively. This promotes understanding, resolve conflicts, and nurtures a positive environment. Remember, it is not just about what you say, but how you say. Emotional intelligence. Now, text talks about emotional intelligence. Leaders who understand and manage their own emotions as well as of those their team members create a harmonious and productive atmosphere. Being empathetic and aware of feelings help build a solid relationships and morale. Decision making. Next up, decision making. Leaders are often faced with tough choices. Analyzing situations, gathering inputs, and making informed decision is essential. Remember, not all decisions will be popular, but explaining their rationale builds trust. Adaptability. In our fast-paced world, adaptability is key. Successful leaders embrace change and help their teams navigate through it. Being open to new ideas and approaches fosters innovations and ensures your team stay ahead in a constantly evolving landscape. Delegation and empowerment. Delegation and empowerment goes hand in hand. Influential leaders trust their team members with responsibilities, allowing them to grow and contribute. Micromanagement stifles creativity, so learn to delegate tasks and provide necessary support. Conflict resolution. No team is immune to conflicts. As a leader, your role is to address these issues constructively. Listen to all parties involved, seek common ground, and facilitate resolution. When managed properly, conflict can lead to better understanding and improved teamwork. Leading by example. Practice what you preach is not just a saying, it's a leadership principle, my dear friend. Your action speaks louder than your words. By setting a positive example, you inspire your team to follow suit. Your behavior influences the culture you want to create. Continuous learning. Great leaders always continue learning. Stay updated on industry trends, management techniques, and personal development. This not only enriches your skill set, but also shows your dedication to improvement. That's it, and you have it, folks. Mastering leadership is a journey. These essential skills are your roadmap to success. Remember, leadership is not just about a title, it's about positively impacting those around you. Start practicing these skills today, my dear friend, and watch your leadership always grow. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Until next time, keep leading, keep smiling, keep succeeding. Thank you very much.